Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure both devices are charged and on the same Wi-Fi. This speeds up cloud restores. Use Google Backup for apps and settings, or start a wired transfer with a USB-C cable. Wires are faster and avoid upload limits. Sign into the same Google account on the new phone, accept pairing prompts, and grant permissions. Doing this first saves time later, because you'll already have the authentication and data channels open for the full transfer. Once the transfer begins, you need to follow prompts to restore apps, photos, SMS, and system settings. Choose the latest backup so you don't miss recent data. Let downloads complete. Apps may install in the background, while photos restore from Google Photos or a local backup. For apps with encrypted backups like WhatsApp, follow its restore flow. Verify your phone number, then allow the app to detect and import the backup. Make sure you keep the phone awake and on Wi-Fi until finish by signing into accounts and re-enabling two-factor authentication where required. Banking and email apps often need reauthorization, so make sure they work. Check that photos, contacts, and messages are present and that apps have the right permissions, then remove the old phone from your Google account if you plan to wipe it. If a restore fails, don't panic. Check Wi-Fi, free storage, and retry. If that still fails, use an OTG cable or a manual PC backup and transfer. Those methods bypass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.